Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find Spectrum account number quickly and easily. Whether you are setting up a new service, paying a bill or troubleshooting, knowing where to find your account number can save you a lot of time. So let's dive right in. Now the first step is log in. First things first, head over to the Spectrum website. You can do this by typing spectrum.net into your browser's address bar. Once you are there, click on the sign in button located in the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password and click sign in to access your account. If you haven't set up an online account yet, you can do so by clicking on the create username link and following the prompts. Step 2. Navigate your account summary. Once you have logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From here, look for the billing section in the main menu at the top of the page and click on it. In billing section, you should see options like view statements or billing overview. Click on billing overview. Now the last and third step is locate your account number. Now you are on the billing overview page. Your Spectrum account number is displayed at the top of this page, usually in a format like this as I show you, and there it is. Finding your Spectrum account number is a simple process once you know where to look. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks and tutorials also. If you have any question or need further help, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.